Have you ever wondered what it takes to unlock the hidden potential within yourself? Imagine standing before a closed door, its key hidden deep inside you, waiting to be found. What if I told you that unlocking this door could open your mind to a reality filled with infinite possibilities, where light, love, and wisdom converge? But how do you find this key, and what lies beyond the door? In the teachings of Freemasonry, particularly the elusive 33rd degree, this door represents your third eye, the pineal gland, a gateway to higher consciousness and spiritual awakening. The key? Activating this gland through time-honored practices like meditation, yoga, and mindful exposure to sunlight. Freemasonry, an ancient tradition steeped in mystery, has long held that the number 33 is more than just a symbol. It's a powerful, sacred number deeply connected to spiritual evolution. This number is not just random. It carries the vibrations of creation, enlightenment, and unity. In the Christian tradition, Jesus Christ's crucifixion at age 33 is seen as a powerful symbol of sacrifice and redemption. The number 33 is woven into the very fabric of our reality, seen in the vertices of a tetrahedron, a geometric figure representing the elements of earth, water, air, and fire. It stands as a bridge between the divine and the material, a point of balance between the spiritual and the physical realms. But why does the number 33 hold such significance? In the Kabbalah and other esoteric teachings, it's considered a master number, representing cosmic harmony and spiritual elevation. It's no coincidence that this number also corresponds to the highest degrees in Rosicrucianism and Freemasonry, where it signifies the pinnacle of wisdom and spiritual understanding. Those with a numerological connection to 33 are often seen as visionaries, charged with a mission to uplift collective consciousness. At the heart of this journey lies the pineal gland, often referred to as the third eye. This small, mysterious gland located in the center of the brain is linked to intuition, spirituality, and consciousness. When activated, it produces a substance known as DMT, often called the sacred fluid, which plays a key role in spiritual experiences and enlightenment. DMT, or dimethyltryptamine, has been found in both the human body and certain plants, used for centuries in rituals and spiritual practices. In his groundbreaking book, DMT, The Spirit Molecule, psychiatrist Rick Strassman explored the profound effects of this substance on the human mind, revealing that it can induce mystical experiences, expand consciousness, and even facilitate encounters with otherworldly entities. So, how do you activate the pineal gland and tap into this sacred fluid? The teachings of the 33rd degree suggest that through consistent practice, meditation, yoga, and controlled exposure to sunlight, you can begin to awaken this powerful gland. As the pineal gland becomes active, you may experience heightened intuition, mental clarity, and a deeper understanding of your true nature. Some describe this as a moment of spiritual enlightenment, where the boundaries between the physical and spiritual worlds dissolve, revealing a universe of infinite possibilities. Numbers, particularly 33, can serve as powerful reminders of this journey. They appear in our lives in various forms, on clocks, license plates, and dates, signaling that we are on the right path. By focusing on the number 33 during meditation or incorporating it into rituals and affirmations, you can align yourself with its energy, opening yourself up to new levels of consciousness. As you embark on this journey, imagine the number 33 as a beacon of light guiding you towards spiritual elevation. Envision it surrounding you, filling you with a sense of peace, love, and unity. With each breath, feel the sacred energy of 33 coursing through your being, bringing you closer to the divine. This journey is not for the faint-hearted, but those who persevere may find themselves standing at the threshold of enlightenment, where the door finally opens to reveal a world beyond imagination. A world where you are one with the divine, where your spirit is free to explore the vastness of existence. Freemasonry, through the teachings of the 33rd degree, offers a roadmap to this higher state of being. By unlocking the door within, you can connect with a reality that transcends the physical, leading to the ultimate goal, the union of man with the divine. If this resonates with you, consider joining our community. We offer a free reality creation course, a blog packed with insights, and other resources to help you on your spiritual journey. Explore the links below to learn more. If you found value in this content, consider subscribing and leaving a comment about the topics you'd like to see covered. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.